In this video, we are going to show you the production of our Tailwindpets Hinged knee brace. Tailwindpets Hinged knee braces are a popular choice among veterinarians when treating dogs with advanced knee problems. The brace offers dogs with limping and joint pain additional support. It immobilizes the lateral displacement of the knee to a certain degree and compensates loss of joint functionality. Furthermore, the brace eases everyday movement by lessening joint stiffness and limiting side-to-side knee movement, providing stability during physical activity. When joints don't function optimally, the brace supports and stabilizes them, helping dogs regain lost mobility and perform daily activities more comfortably. Here are our customer reviews.